So I just bought this new Keurig Brew and Chill coffee maker, which is excellent. It is super easy to use. You just put in a K-cup like normal, and it brews into your cup hot, or you can brew cold coffees as well. I brewed this one this morning using the cold feature, and it has this chill tank back here in the back that you fill with water, and the cold coffee actually comes out cold. So the ice, I still have ice in my cup because it came out cold, so it's not melting my ice. I just added some caramel syrup in there, and it's delicious. You do want to put a cup under as soon as the cold cycle has finished, because then it runs a rinse cycle, which is also very awesome that it does that, hence why my cup's a little dirty on the inside. It didn't rinse out very much this go round, so that's good. I love the fact too that the refillable tank is right here on the front, so it's easier for me to, you know, take it off, carry it over and refill it, and then bring it and put it right back. I will say I feel like this is the best Keurig system so far, and I have had pretty much every single one. I've tried the compact, I've used the mini, I had the duo. I never did try the Keurig hot and cold, but I will say this Keurig Brew and Chill is probably the best one that I've ever used. We just use generic K-cups. It works well with it, and I will say, great purchase. You need one.